Hi guys, good evening. Today we are going to discuss about how to upload the data in Power BI. For that, so we have these three options in front page. One is import data from Excel, so we can load the data from Excel. And second option, import data from server. So if you have any SQL Server access, we can able to load the data from SQL Server and paste the blank data. If you want to type or if you want to copy paste the data, and you can go to this particular option. You can type here like this: id, name. So likewise you can type or you can copy paste. So if you have any data, then you can copy paste here and you can load your data. So this is here, you have to fill the table name, so what you want to display. Then you have to copy paste your data and then you can load your data. And or otherwise here we have get data from another source. So you can click this option, or otherwise here also we have get data option. You can click this get data option. In this, it will list out what all data we are going to upload. So here we have a lot of options: Excel workbook, data sets and SQL server, analyzing server, text file or CSV file or web page. So whatever you want, you can able to load. And you can, there is a more option. If you click more option, here a lot of server details and Excel text file, XML file, PDF file, whatever you want, you can able to load it here. So it is depends upon the company, right? So some companies will use a SQL server, or some companies will use Oracle, some companies will use Azure DevOps. So based on your company, we can use Azure. So Azure means you have to connect here. You can choose this SQL database Azure, and you have to mention the server name and database name, and you can click OK to upload your data. So now I'm going to upload the text file. So just I'm choosing this text CSV. I'm going to upload the text CSV file. So once you have connected your file, it will list out like this. You can click load button to upload your data. So once it is uploaded, in this data field in right hand side there is a data field. So in this data field it will display. So this is our file name, text file name of a supplier. So in that, what all data we have in our table, it will list out here. And also if you want to see the detailed view of this particular data, you can go to table view and you can click this particular table and you can able to see this data. Okay, this is how we need to load the data. Thank you.